This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Catherine Winters. Stunning interior improvements paired with smart updates makes this a must-see. Beautiful, professionally installed real wood floors in the living area carry through to the master suite. Reconfigured Master Bath is now more spacious with gorgeous cabinetry and quartz vanity tops. Hidden shower shelving is oh so sensible. Overhead kitchen cabinets across the bar counter were removed for a more functional and open casual dining area as well as more workspace for the chef. Shiny stainless appliances include a double oven. Pretty plantation shutters trim each window with verticals and luminette blinds at the patio doors. Screened lanai is equipped with a canvas awning extending your covered seating space. Screened in-ground pool is just right for a refreshing dip. Enjoyable view of one of the 5 distinctive Lost Lakes is surrounded by mature trees that provide nice shade and a spot for nature watching. Put this move-in ready home at the top of your must-see list. For more information, review the details below or contact Catherine Winters at 772-692-8839.